Hey everybody. So today is a really happy day. We are getting javelina protection for the garden. Check it out. Whoop whoop. Yeah. So the fencing's going in. It wasn't too long ago that they came in and they sunk all the poles and they put the concrete in and got all the poles set, and now that's going to be the gate. So that's one of the guys down there. But we're going to have all of the fencing done, and back over there is going to be the cow fencing. So the cow is going to be back over there. The garden's growing pretty good, so we'll just walk through it while we take a look at what he's doing down there. Oh, those are my squashes. Yeah. Don't have any squish bugs in the fall, so they should be perfectly fine without a whole lot of pest damage. But everything else is doing pretty good and growing, so let's head over here. Check that out. So this will be the gate into the first section, and then the gate into the second section. And it's 20 feet by 80, either 80 or 86 or something like that. So the sections will be pretty big. And then there's a gate in between the two sections so that I can just go into one without going all the way out and around into the other one. So, whoop! Uh-oh. Sorry, biting ants on the ground. So that is the cow area to start with. And then once we figure out where our property line is, we'll put a perimeter fence up. And in the meantime, this is where we can keep the cow. Got some tomatoes and cucumbers growing. The potatoes need to come out of the ground. They are done. Grape down at the end's doing pretty good. And you can see all of the potato slips. They're dead for sure. And then my first tomatoes are a little out of control. And then the second batch of potatoes need to come out of the ground. But all in all, the garden's doing really good. Everything looks great. And of course, we got fencing going in, so that's all excited. We did make a trip back into Idaho to grab a few things. So I got my Solomon seal and some more horseradish, some hops roots and things. So I brought all of those back so we can get it in the garden and continue planting stuff. So anyway, that's an update for today. Not a whole lot going on, but slow and steady wins the race, right? All right, we'll see you again next time. Bye.